everyone, so good to have you. Welcome back to the channel. We are Tecton Home Construction. For those of you who don't know, my name is Kendra. I'm an architect and my family is working together to build our very own custom home. And as you can see, we have our exterior walls up on our second floor. All but one of them are done. I'll show you here in a minute, but we've been making some really good progress. We are almost done with the framing. We're moving on to the interior framing right now, and we'll start sheathing the exterior this week and putting up roof trusses right after that. So we're making some really good progress, and if you like what you see, want to stay tuned, like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for coming. I'll go ahead and show you where we're at.